First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo there is that lever that needs to be turned towards the right side completely, and then we need to lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about that needs to be turned towards the right side, and then we lift up the hood. While holding the hood, we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is a spot for high beam bulb, so what we have to do is just hold on to it and then turn the plug anti-clockwise. Just like that, and then we will pull the plug out. You may have to wiggle the plug until it completely comes out. Right there is a plug along with the high beam bulb. To take out the bulb, we would have to press and hold this tab right here and then pull the plug outwards. Alternatively, you can also pull the tab of the plug using a tool like this. I will punch in the tool and then pull the tab of the plug outwards. And while pulling the tab, we will also pull out the bulb. Just like that, the bulb is taken out. Notice we never touch the glass portion of this bulb. The only way if you want to grab the glass portion is by piece of cloth or by a napkin. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. All we have to do is just reverse the steps. Suppose by mistake if you have touched the glass portion with your fingers, then you can just clean it with a piece of cloth. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the bulb in the plug. Punch in the bulb and then press it to a point until you hear a clicking sound. Notice while you're installing the bulb in the plug, this side where the tab of the plug is, that tab is supposed to be on the opposite side of the bulb. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the bulb along with the plug. We will make sure the plug is completely in, only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, that is how we replace the high beam bulb. Right besides the high beam bulb is actually the low beam bulb as well, and the process to replace that bulb is actually exactly the same. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. Lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.